So, I noticed na ang highest is 90 in Florida. Then 18, 20. Sa third, Palapa, and Lacaria. Palay, 18. Rusteki, 18. Yago, 18. Doon sa rest, basa Mahmud. Okay, so we will finish the 4 times of the next. So 4 times intelligence, the issue assignment. So we will see where are we using that intelligence. So usually we already know the IQ initially was only popularized in somewhere by so IQ, what is your emotional quotient? When we hear the word intelligence, most of us think of IQ only. So the equation, yes, or memorizing fast. But intelligence is far more diverse than score on paper. Sa iba, researchers have psychologists have identified multiple types of intelligence that shape how we act, think, and connect with others. So here are 4 types of main types of intelligence and why one of them is very important, and that is EQ, maybe the most important for success. Why I'm telling you this? Because you need to know how far you can integrate yourself with others, interact yourself with others. So IQ, that is more on the cognitive side. When you say cognitive, ano yun? Cognitive, diba? May alam sa tatlo kita. Cognitive, affective, psychomotor. So hindi kasi kayo agad sa akin sa practice teaching. So in a practice teaching, you're a teacher, you should know what are your learning objectives na dapat malaman mo. So pag sinabi mo, cognitive more on the knowledge part. May knowledge, cognitive base. So what do you use when you have knowledge?